So many people are saying nowadays digital marketing is dead. All right. Is it really? Please tell me. Make a video about this topic. I don't need to make a video about this topic because I would love to see those people who are saying these. Um, don't they see how much work or how much time they spend online, from browsing to buying to researching to social media to everything? You take away the phone for one day and you will feel like, oh my God, something is missing from my life. So I don't know of anybody, especially in the UK, who says that digital marketing is dead, to be honest with you. In fact, you can just show them the revenue Google, Facebook, TikTok, Twitter, LinkedIn are generating from running the from the ad platform, and that will answer your question.